Hey guys, to fix your Google account from repeatedly signing out, check that your browser is updated, right? So don't worry if your browser asks, if your browser needs to be updated, they will let you know either through a pop-up screen, or you can click the three bars on your favorite browser and you can see somewhere in the menu, right, or in the three lines at the top left, that there is a new update and you need to restart your browser. Okay, and make sure also your cookies are enabled. A cookie is basically when you go into a new website, they will ask you that allow some cookies, and basically that means they will have access to your information, and that will help them understand your browser or understand you better, right, and show you exactly what you need. And make sure to disable settings that clear cookies when you close your browser. You should also clear your browser's cache, right? And on your mobile device, update Google Play services and remove and re-add your Google account. For persistent issues, check your security settings for unauthorized logins, and consider the impact of antivirus or other cleanup applications on your account data, right? So make sure, right, most importantly, that you clear any unnecessary cache, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit delete right here at the button on the right hand menu. You're gonna see delete, okay, and you're gonna just go ahead and delete all of the information from your browser, and that should fix your problem, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.